How to play Helldivers 2 on PS5. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. For this, you will need a copy of Helldivers 2 either purchased digitally from the PlayStation Store or a physical disc. Either way, you need to purchase it from a PlayStation verified store. Now once you have it, you can launch the game. You need to find the Helldivers 2 in the Games tab on your PS5. So make sure that you have connected your PS5 home screen or the console. Select the game tile to launch your Helldivers 2. Now, firstly from the main menu, you have to navigate to Social or Online section. Add friends using your PSN ID or browse a recent played with list. Invite friends to your squad or join the ongoing games. Alternatively, choose Quick Play to join a random mission and help other players as well. Helldivers 2 also supports crossplay, so you can freely play with your friends on your PC and PS5. You can also configure some of the PS5 setting if you want to by heading on the settings option and selecting on your controller. This is some of the basic configure that PS5 players do for a smooth play for the Helldivers 2. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.